How's it going, guys? In this video what I'm going to be doing is putting on the new front suspension bits like the new track rod ends and wishbones, and also the new big brakes that I'm going to be rebuilding. So I've just got the big brakes on and the front suspension pieces. I think they look pretty good. They still need bled, and I've got the braided lines for the front, but I'll just finish this video off here. That's what they're looking like. I think it's a fair visual improvement from the old ones, but I think they'll also do me well with the new engine in it and everything like that. So I'm pretty happy with them. I think it will drive a bit more solid with the front suspension bits on, and they had new ball joints and everything like that, so I'm happy enough to replace them, and they're pretty cheap for what they are. So thanks very much for watching, and hopefully the next one I'll be getting the engine going. I just wanted to add this wee clip onto the end of the video. I doubt anyone's noticed, but I've not been uploading in a wee while. That's due to I've had to move down south to write my master's dissertation, and had to leave the car at home really unfortunately right in the middle of building it. So I'm moving back at Christmas time. I can't wait to get back to it and keep building it. I've got a couple of wee videos like this one to upload, but just as a small bit of information at the very end. Cheers.